Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients, and today you and I together will be making roasted chicken. Here's what you will need: chicken, olive oil, and the following ingredients to make our homemade spiced dry rub: paprika, coconut sugar, garlic, flaxseed, pink Himalayan salt, sesame seed, and hemp seed. Ready? Let's get started. So what we've done to make our own rub is to add equal parts of all of our ingredients. And here's the reason why I have you make your own rub. Number one, it will not have any MSG or harmful ingredients to your health. Number two, it has plenty of omega-3 fatty acids. And last but not least, number three, the one thing you won't find in a store-bought rub is that really beneficial Himalayan salt. So we'll stir that all together, and it makes plenty so you can have it for months. Okay, I hope you're ready to get your hands dirty. We're going to drizzle a generous amount of olive oil all over the top. Of course, we are going to do both sides, and we're going to rub that olive oil right on in to our chicken, and then use approximately, I've measured out about 2 tablespoons here. Sprinkle that on, and we're going to rub this in to the chicken as well. Flip it over and do the other side before putting it in your roaster. So now that the chicken has been rubbed with the dry spices, I've put it in a cast iron pot to be roasted. If you are using chicken breasts, thighs, or legs, you can go ahead and just use a shallow stone roaster. It works great with meats. I'm going to take a shortcut here, and I'm going to be using some frozen baby carrots. I'm going to add these in just over top of my chicken, like so. And I'm also going to go ahead and add some onions. When I use fresh carrots, I never peel. I always wash, but I never peel. I like all the vitamins and minerals in the skin. So either way is great. Be sure to put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of this before adding your chicken in. Either way, and we're ready to pop this in the oven. One more thing, definitely need to accessorize. So I always use fresh garlic and fresh parsley just to add a little bit of nutrient density and flavor on top. Ooh. And we're going to cap this and pop it in the oven. If you're anything like me, you love options. So here are 2 for you. Go ahead and roast this in your oven, or you can use a crock pot. Just follow your recipe for instructions and make sure before serving chicken that it has at least reached 160 degrees. And just like that, guys, dinner's ready. Enjoy.